In this training video, we will review how to use and change out absorbents. What are SorbIts absorbents? SorbIts are reusable oil absorbent mats, pads, and socks. SorbIts help keep your workstation clean and safe. Use SorbIts for leaking, dripping, or puddling non-hazardous waste oils near your workstation. A fresh supply of clean SorbIts get delivered to your facility on a regular schedule, and soiled SorbIts get picked up for laundering. Now, let's learn how to use SorbIts. For optimal use, lay the pads flat on the ground. Do not scatter them. Do not bunch or overlap the pads. And do not place them on walking surfaces. They should not be used as a floor mat, shelf liners, cushions, or for anything other than absorbing oil. Here are quilted pads properly placed. These pads are improperly used. Next, let's review when and how to change out SorbIts. Changing out SorbIts in a timely manner is important to create a cleaner, safer workplace. To check if SorbIts have reached absorption capacity, use the step-on, step-off method. Place your foot gently over the absorbent, then place your foot on the floor. If liquid transfers from your foot to the floor, the absorbent is ready to be changed. You can also look for a color change. Replace the absorbent when it turns a darker color. To change the absorbent, shake off any loose debris and place it in the labeled drum. Be sure the absorbent is not dripping. Freestanding liquid is not allowed in the drum. Do not place trash in the drums. That includes metal chips, garbage, sawdust, or other byproduct materials. Replace the soiled absorbent with a clean one from the designated storage location. Look for signs indicating clean and soiled storage drums for absorbents. Your service representative will pick up soiled SorbIts on a regular schedule for professional laundering. Remember, your service representative will only pick up and replace what you turn in, so it's in your best interest to change out SorbIts regularly and use only what you need. In summary, SorbIts are reusable. Do not throw them in the trash. Place them in designated blue drums only. Ensure the following do not go in soiled SorbIts drums: excess dripping fluid, trash, metal shavings, or anything other than SorbIts. Change out SorbIts regularly. The more you turn in, the more you receive at your next delivery. Thank you for your cooperation in ensuring a successful program. Your efforts help reduce facility costs, eliminate a waste stream, and maintain a cleaner, safer workplace.